My name is John Evans. I'm 74 years old. I've got one eye. This is plastic. I'm a diabetic. I've got asthma. I've got angina. This one I want to do in public with the Santa's Toys shoot, which will be out for my 99th world record. And then coming up to my 75th birthday, I'm having a big 5 foot by 5 foot crown made, and I'm going to balance that on my head, and it'll be my 100th world record. My 5 foot car on my head, and it weighed 357 pounds. If that had gone wrong, it would have killed me. And that was all given to the homeless in Nottingham. Oh, let's pick up one. Yeah, I was the first person in the world.